Consumer price inflation picked up slightly in October, rising to 7.6% from 7.5% in September. The monthly increase in the CPI was 0.4%, up from 0.1%. Bread and cereals, meat and dairy are the key product groups driving food inflation, which edged higher to 12% from 11.9% in September. The bread and cereals category continues to see high levels of inflation, with the annual rate increasing to 19.5% from 19.3% last month. Large monthly price increases were recorded for sweet biscuits, which rose by 5.5%, macaroni increasing by 3.1%, and maize meal, which saw prices increase by 1.7%. Annual meat inflation also quickened in October, rising to 10.5% from 9.9% in September. Beef prices registered large monthly increases, most notably steak at 2.5%, stewing beef going up by 1.2%, and mince rising by 1.1%. The index for milk, eggs and cheese registered an annual increase of 10.5%, the highest rate since February 2017. Products recording significant monthly increases include long life and fresh full cream milk, which increased by 3.5% and 1.8% respectively, as well as cheddar cheese up by 1.2%. Hot beverage prices increased by 14% in the 12 months to October, also the highest annual reading since February 2017. Instant coffee recorded a monthly increase of 2.1% and black tea 3.4%. Oil and fat products, which drove food inflation higher for many months, bucked the trend in October. The category recorded a second consecutive month of disinflation, with prices falling by 1% after a 6.1% decrease in September. This took the annual rate to 25.7% from 29% in September. The annual change for the transport index was 17.1%, softer than September's reading of 17.9%. Annual vehicle inflation climbed to 6.1% from 5.8% in September, on the back of higher used vehicle prices, which are on average 14.5% more expensive than a year ago. Lower petrol prices saw the fuel index decline for a third consecutive month. This took the annual rate for fuel to 30.1% in October from 34.1% in September, decreasing further from the 56.2% peak recorded in July. Inflation for household detergents continued to increase, with washing powder reaching an annual rate of 30.3% and dishwashing liquid 16.2%. Bath soap prices increased by 21.3% and toothpaste rose by 20.8% in the 12 months to October. Health insurance premiums increased by 4.8% in October compared with October 21, higher than the annual reading of 3.5% recorded in September. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Chief Director for Price Statistics at Stats SA. You can read more about the CPI on our website at www.statssa.gov.za.